Hey there, ESL learners! Welcome to this video. Today I will talk about pronouns. Alright, so here is a fact. Pronouns replace nouns in a sentence. A pronoun, well, the word pronoun means for a noun. Alright, so if we have nouns, a pronoun can take the place of that noun. Okay, so there are many types of pronouns, but today we will focus on subject pronouns and object pronouns. Yes, so it could be easier for you to understand. All right, so the first one is subject pronouns. I, you, we, they, he, a man, she, a girl, it, a dog. Yes? All right, so, and then the object is me, you, us, them, him, her, and it. All right, so when we use me, again, we talk about me. You know, like, I am Fabi. This is me. Yes, you are a student. That is you. We are people. This is us. Yes, they are crazy. Yeah, don't go with them. He is a teacher. I don't like him. She is a student. I like her. Yes, it is a dog. You have to feed it. All right, so, well, subject and object. Let me explain using some sentences. The first one says, Fabi loves to teach students. All right, now let's see which words in this sentence are nouns. Well, the first one, Fabi. Fabi is a proper noun. It is the name of a person. It is my name. All right, so Fabi is a noun and students is a noun. Students is a plural noun, a countable noun. All right, so Fabi and students are nouns. So what pronouns are for a noun? We can use them. So the first one, let's say that I don't want to use Fabi. Yeah, let's use she, or let's use I. I love to teach students. Or I love to teach you. All right, so in the first part, Fabi is a subject. First of all, what is a subject? The subject of a sentence is who. Who does the action? Fabi. Yes, who is doing something? Fabi. Fabi loves to teach students. Yes, so subject, we use a subject pronoun. And then here we have an object of the sentence. The second noun is the object of the sentence. Okay, so the object of the sentence is the one who receives the action that is being done by the subject. Okay, so an easy way to look at this is the subject goes before the verb. Before the verb. And the object usually is usually after the verb or verbs. In this case, we have two. Yes, so after the verb is an object. Before the verb is the subject. All right, so what do we use? A subject pronoun because it is the subject. We use an object pronoun because it is the object of the sentence. Okay, the second one, let's see. Let's look for the nouns. The first one is David, John, Jane, books. Yes, we have all these nouns. Wow. So, which is the subject of the sentence? David or John? Both. Yes, David and John. They're both the subject of a sentence. So we can use they. They. Yes, it's a subject pronoun. David and John. They. All right, so that's before a verb. Note that, please. Before the verb. Yes. All right, and gave Jane some books. Sometimes we have two objects in a sentence. Sorry. And they usually go after the verb. Alright? So we have Jane and some books. They're both nouns. They can both use a pronoun to replace them. So, Jane, are we going to use she? Jane is a woman. She? No, we use her because it's an object of the sentence. It's the object pronoun. Alright, so we use her. And to replace some books, would we use it? It's a thing. Yeah, we could use it. No, because it's more than one book. 2 books or 3 or 4. Yeah, so we use them. Them. I know they're not people, but let me explain. If we say one book or a book, we would use it. If we say 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7, we will use they or them, depending on if it is the subject or object of the sentence. Yes? Okay, so well, next we will have some more practice so you can master this topic. Thanks for watching. Okay, it's practice time. Now we have 3 more sentences written on the board. The first one says, my cat likes fish. My cat likes fish. So my cat is a noun. Well, my cat is the subject of the sentence. Cat is a noun. My is a possessive adjective, but we will learn that later. Well, so how can we replace my cat? My cat. Well, we know it's a subject. I? No. You? No, it's a cat. We? No. They? No. He? No. She? No. It? Yes, we use it for a cat. But sometimes when we love our cat very much, we can use he or she because, you know, here in America, we love animals very much. So my cat is a male. My cat is a boy. To me, my cat is a child. So I could use he, my cat, or he, or she, but the correct way would be it, because my cat is not a person. So we would use it. It likes fish. Again, fish is another animal. If the fish is a pet, some people would say he or she, but again, the correct way would be to say it. So, it likes it. Oh, this is not supposed to be capitalized. Sorry. Lowercase, not uppercase. Yeah. It likes it. So we use subject and object. It. Your subject before the verb, object after the verb. Yes? Alright, next then. Jake reads books with Fabi and Mary. Jake is our first noun, and it's the subject of the sentence. Alright, so subject. Will we use I, Jake? No, I'm not Jake. You, Jake? No, you're not Jake. We, Jake? No, we're not Jake. Okay, so we would use he. Jake is the name of a man, so we use he. He reads books with Fabi and Mary. Again, we have 2 objects. 2 objects. So we know that the subject before the verb, object after the verb. Alright? So books. It is a plural noun. It is a countable noun. And it is also the subject of the sentence. So instead of using books, boom. Bye-bye, books. Alright, so will we use it? No, because it's more than one book. It's maybe 2 books or 3 books because we have an S here. So we will not use it, we will use they. No, not they, because it's not the subject. It is the object. Alright, so we use them. He reads them with, okay, again, let's go to the last part. Fabby and Mary. Fabby and Mary are the object of the sentence. All right, so object, we look for an object pronoun. Fabby is, oh, me, I'm Fabby. But it's also Mary, not only me. Fabby and Mary. You? No. Us, we, us. Fabby and Mary. Sorry. So we use us. Oh, not supposed to be capitalized. Hold on. Us. All right. Us. Jake reads books with Fabby and Mary. He reads them with us. All right. He reads them with us. All right. And then last one. Sam and James. Sam and James are the subject of the sentence. Subject. All right. So Sam and James, two people. Subject of a sentence. Subject pronouns. Sam and James, I? No. So we use they. 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 They have money in the bank. Again, we have two objects. We have money, the direct object, and the bank, the indirect object. All right, so money. Money, object. Me? No, I'm not money. You're not money. It. It would be what we would use. It. They have it in it. They have it in it. Yes. Or sometimes we wouldn't use this. We would not say, oh, where's the money? Oh, they have it in it. In what? What are you talking about? Right? So the correct thing would be to not use an object pronoun here, because then you would confuse people. So the bank would be okay. It would be okay to use the bank. You can use it. It is grammatically correct, but you would not really know. People would not know what you're talking about. All right? So these are my examples, and I'll see you in the homework section of this video. Thanks for watching again. Okay, so this is your homework. Use subject and object. Sorry. Object pronouns to replace the nouns in the sentences below. The first one, Jerry likes beer. The second one, Catherine loves pizza and tacos. All right, you have to look at the subject, object, before, after. Subject, object, before, after. All right, so you will decide which ones to use, which subject and object pronouns. All right, so this is your homework. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. It's okay. If you didn't like it, just be honest. Well, thank you and see you next time. Bye.